Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. All of you, open your textbook, page number 99. So, in our last class, we were studying the lesson A Rose for the Princess. So, let's continue the lesson today. Before continuing the lesson, let's recall what we had learned in our last class. Panna and Makbul goes to the market. Okay, goes to the city. They wander everywhere, and Panna is very much happy to see the colorful, crowded and noisy streets of Agra. Panna and Makbul, they go to the idol of Hanuman in the mandir, and the priest gives them some prasad. So Panna, she immediately eat that prasad and tells that they are very delicious. And also they start to walk through the bazaar. Panna, she is not interested in jewelry and silk, but instead she enjoys by listening to a man singing on the masjid steps, and also by looking at the funny magician. She buys roasted chana and sweet potatoes from the shopkeeper of the street and shares everything with the Makbul. She is very much surprised and she is very much happy to look at a kite which is flying in the sky, and also by looking at the camels. So suddenly what happens? Soldiers enter the market with their swords, and also there is army commander who was shouting at everyone. When Makbul asks the soldier what's the matter, then the soldier tells that the Princess Jahanara is missing and they have a doubt that she had been kidnapped. So now Panna, who is Princess Jahanara, she goes to the commander and she tells that she had not been kidnapped. She wanted to see the city, so she came to see the city with Makbul Bai, and she was safe with Makbul. Commander asks the soldiers to arrest Makbul as he had kidnapped the princess. They think that he had kidnapped the princess, and Jahanara stops them. And Jahanara tells Makbul to go back to his garden, and also she thanks Makbul for because she had a most enjoyable days in her life. So let's see what happens in the next scene. Scene 3. The Emperor's garden. Makbul is sitting in one corner despondently. He does not even care to look at his favorite rose plants. Suddenly, there is a tinkling of anklets. Makbul looks up and scrambles to his feet. It is the princess and the maid Dilruba. So in scene 3, it is the emperor's garden, and Makbul is sitting in one corner despondently. Despondently means very sadly. So he is not even looking at his favorite rose plants. Suddenly he hears a tinkling of anklets, sound of anklets, and he looks up and stands up in a hurried way. Scrambles to his feet means stand up hurriedly. Okay, he stands up in a hurried way. When he sees that it is Princess Jahanara and maid Dilruba. Jahanara, what's the matter? Makbul Bai, you're crying. You're not happy to see me. The princess will ask Makbul what was the matter, and she sees that Makbul is crying, and also she will ask him that whether he is not happy by looking at her, by seeing her. Makbul, Huzur Sahiba, how can I not be happy? I'm just bemoaning my fate. Makbul will tell Princess Huzur Sahiba he is very happy to see the princess, but he is just bemoaning my fate. Bemoaning means feeling very sorry because of his fate. Dilruba, why Makbul Bai? What was fate done to upset you so much? So Dilruba, maid of Princess Jahanara, she will ask him that what fate has done to him to upset him so much. Makbul, I have to leave this place soon. Makbul will tell that he have to leave that place. The emperor of Shahjahan's court very soon. Jahnara, what? But why? You love this place, and what will these roses do without you? Makbul breaks down. So Jahnara is surprised. So she will ask, but why are you leaving this place? And what will these roses do without Makbul? So Makbul breaks down. Means Makbul is very sad. He starts to cry. Dilruba, Makbul Bai, please tell us what happened. So Dilruba requests Makbul to tell them what had happened. Makbul, amid sobs, the commander wants me to leave to Sikandra immediately. I have been punished because of yesterday's incident and sent off to work at Akbar Badshah's tomb at Sikandra. Who will look after my roses now? So Makbul very sadly he tells that the commander wants him to go for Sikandra because he was punished. Makbul was punished for taking Princess Jahanara to the city the day before, and also Makbul is sent off to work at Akbar Badshah's tomb at Sikandra, and also he is very much worried. Makbul is worried that who would look after his roses. Silence. So everybody is silent. Janara, don't worry, I'll arrange something. Pause. Aren't you going to give me a parting gift? So Jahanara will tell him not to worry, and she will tell him that she would arrange something. Jahanara asks him a parting gift as Makbul is going to Akbar Badshah's tomb at Sikandra to work. Princess Jahanara is asking him a parting gift because he is going away. Makbul looks at her devastated. Certainly, Huzur Sahiba. He goes to the plants, searches for a rose and picks it. He offers it to her. This is my last gift to you, Huzur Sahiba. Makbul looks at her devastated. Devastated means shattered. He is completely upset. Very sadly, he looks at Princess Jahanara, and he goes to the plants and he searches for the beautiful rose, and he picks one of the beautiful rose and offers, means gives it to what? Princess Jahanara, and tells that it is his last gift to Princess Jahanara. Jahanara accepting it, it's beautiful. Jahanara, by taking that rose, she tells him that it is beautiful. Dilruba, yes, even more beautiful than Subha. Makbul smiles for the first time. Dilruba will tell that yes, it is very beautiful than Subha. Subha means the pink rose which Makbul had sent to Princess Jahanara, and for the first time Makbul has a smile on his face. Jahanara, as a reward I am giving you. So Jahanara will tell that as a reward, as a respect, as a gift, she is giving him. Dilruba, shall I go fetch one of those gold chains you had set aside for gifts. So Dilruba will tell Princess Jahanara that whether she can go and fetch, means whether she can go and take one of the gold chain which you have kept aside for gifts. Jahanara, no, Makbul Bhai doesn't need gold. So when Jahanara will tell him that she will give back him a reward. And when Dilruba asks Princess Jahanara whether she can go and bring one gold chain which she had kept separately to give it as a gift, then Princess Jahanara will tell that no, Makbul Bhai doesn't need gold. Makbul's face falls. Makbul is very sad now. He deserves something far better, the rose gardens of the Killa to tend for the rest of his life. So Princess Jahanara will tell Dilruba that he deserves more, for better. Okay, he deserves something far better. He deserves something more than gold, that is the rose gardens of the Killa. Sorry children, what Makbul needs? Makbul needs the rose gardens of the Killa to tend, means to take care for the rest of his life. Makbul, Huzur. Makbul is very much surprised. So respectedly he tells Princess Jahanara, Huzur. He tells him that yes, he needs respectedly Makbul will tell that Huzur Sahiba, yes Sahiba, he needs what? The rose garden to tend for the rest of his life. Jahanara, and if that commander troubles you again, tell him to come to me first. So the princess will tell him that if the commander troubles him again, ask that commander to come to her first. Makbul, 1,000 thanks Huzur Sahiba. I'll create the best roses in the kingdom for you. So he will tell Princess Jahanara 1,000 thanks for her, and also he will tell that he will create the best roses in the kingdom for the Princess Jahanara. Jahanara, yes, but before that, Makbul Bhai, I have a request for you. So Jahanara will tell that she had a request for him. Makbul, anything. Makbul will tell anything you can ask to me. Jahanara, next time you go to the mandir, send me the prasad. It was delicious. Makbul and Dilruba laugh. By the way, what is the name of this rose? So Jahanara will request him to bring prasad when he goes to the mandir next time, and also she will tell that prasad was very delicious. And also Makbul and Dilruba starts to laugh, and also Princess Jahanara will ask what is the name of the rose which he had given recently. Makbul, Shehzadi Jahanara. So he will name that rose as Shehzadi Jahanara. I hope you have understood the lesson, children. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.